Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Maserati Granturismo. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure you have a good set of jumper cables and that both vehicles are turned off. Position the working vehicle so its battery is accessible to the Granturismo, ideally within about 18 to 24 inches. This ensures the cables can connect without strain. Now, let's connect the positive cables. First, find the positive terminal on your Maserati's battery. It's typically red and marked with a plus sign. Securely attach one red jumper cable clamp to this terminal. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the other black clamp, find a clean, unpainted metal part on your Maserati's engine block or chassis, away from the battery and any moving parts. This provides a safe ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Maserati's battery. Then, try starting your Granturismo. Once it starts, keep it running for at least 20 minutes. Finally, disconnect the cables in the reverse order: black from the Maserati, black from the donor, red from the donor, and red from the Maserati.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.